Here's a quick tour of the garden at the Sweet Life farm, and we've got some strawberries and blackberries over here. Peaches. She has several varieties of peaches. Apples. These are the tomatoes. Here's the apple garden, or the apples. You've got to see this. Here's the apples. Here's some of the peaches. Now this is actually going to be different kinds of melons. So what fun. I can't wait to get on her mailing list. And looks like some citrus there. And more. It's fabulous. And we've got, she's got chickens. Here's the tomatoes. More tomatoes. We've got some cauliflower.
And is that a rooster? It is.
How many roosters?
You're just lucky.
Well, we've had a rooster for about 10 years, and so everybody's used to it. But because we've had chickens for like 25 years. But I went around. This was 10 years ago. I went around and asked all my neighbors if it was okay. But we don't always have one. It's just when. You know, when you buy the chicks, you don't ever know when they get bigger if it's going to be a rooster. Most of them are hens.
Hello, pretty ladies.
So then these are my youngest ones.
Look at you.
So anyway, we got a rooster. And you can't really tell until they get bigger.
I have 7. I got them in January and February.
Yeah. Okay.
And my last 3, one of them is a rooster. I'm sure of it. And I actually just found somebody that might take them. I didn't want to try to keep them. And there's another rooster there.
Well, he's not mean yet, so I'm hoping he's not going to get
Mine get really young. I mean, when they start to crow and trying to learn how to crow, I get really annoyed.
Hi, Hal. And here's a little bit more. Here's some more chickens. And this will be our picnic spot when we come back. Can you believe this? This is right in Arcadia. Here's a lettuce bed. Looks like we've got some beets. I'm not quite sure what that is. Marigolds help attract bees. And beautiful property.